Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create website in Kajabi step by step. Start by choosing a template and set your site title in Site Settings, then pick a color palette that matches your brand. Decide on core pages and map a simple navigation flow. Gather images and write concise headlines for each section. Keep mobile users in mind and plan a clear call to action for every page to boost conversions. Open Kajabi, create a new page, and pick a template that fits your content style, then edit blocks to reflect your brand voice. Replace placeholder text with benefit-focused headlines and short paragraphs that speak directly to visitors. Add a prominent button for your main offer and test its click behavior. Preview the page on desktop and mobile and adjust spacing so text and images look balanced across devices for a smooth user experience. Set up an offer in Kajabi and attach a product or digital download, then choose pricing and payment options that work for your audience. Design a funnel with an opt-in page, followed by a sales page and a thank you page that delivers access. Integrate email automation to welcome buyers and deliver their content. Finally, run a full test purchase to confirm access, emails, and download links behave as expected before launching publicly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.